case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1971, a dispute between Admiral Plastics Corporation and Trueblood Inc. led to a landmark case in the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit. The case centered on a contract for the manufacture of 3 unique injection blow mold machines, which was ultimately deemed void due to both parties' failure to cooperate in good faith. Admiral Plastics, a leading plastic containers manufacturer, approached Trueblood to create the machines. However, Trueblood encountered difficulties due to delayed purchase orders and discrepancies in the provided specifications. As a result, only one machine was being built by October 1966. With no machines delivered, Admiral accused Trueblood of default and threatened legal action. The case eventually found its way to the courts, where both parties were determined to be at fault, resulting in a mutual breach of the contract. The court ruled that Admiral was entitled to a refund of their down payment of $29,812.50 and dismissed Trueblood's counterclaim for damages. The decision rested on the fact that both companies had acted in bad faith and failed to cooperate, leading to the presumption of mutual assent to a rescission. In the end, the district court's decision was upheld, and both parties were held responsible for the costs. The case underscored the importance of good faith and cooperation in contract performance and served as a reminder for the need for clear communication and timely actions in the realm of business agreements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.